Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark for Loose Screw Reviews, back giving another video. And today, I'll be doing a review of some LED strip lights from a company called Novostella. Alright? Alright. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politics out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, and tell that friend, tell a friend. Alright? And stay tuned toward the end of the video. I'll give you some information about giveaways on the channel. Alright? Alright. Now that we got all that business and politics out of the way, let's get to the video. Alright, today I'm going to be doing a brief unboxing of some Novostella string lights. And before we get started, I want to go ahead and give a shout out to Novostella for sending me these string lights for free, so I can go ahead and show you guys. And any kind of reviews or anything stemming from this review will be from my own personal opinion. Alright, it's my own personal opinion. You know, I'm not getting paid for this, not sponsored, nothing like that. Just my own personal thoughts on the string lights. Alright. Now we got all that out of the way. Yeah, today I'm doing a review of some Novostella string lights, and I know the glare on my ring light is not doing me justice, but these are the Novostella 40-foot LED RGB light strips. Alright, here's what the box looks like. This is the company, Novostella. Nothing on the side of the box, and it comes with an RF remote control, multiple colors, preset modes, and here's the back of the box, so you can pause this and read it for yourself. Alright, let me see if I got any more specs on here that I can just quickly read off on here. 36 watts, 40 foot, 12 meter. LED type is the 50/50. Input voltage 100 to 240 volt AC. And they said lifespan on here, looking at 50,000 hours. That's pretty decent, 50,000 hours. Okay. Energy cost on here is about $4.30. I want to say this is yearly. Alright, so that's not bad. That's not bad. And it tells you some more information right here. Alright, so you can pause that and read it for yourself. Let's go ahead and take them out of the box. It's a nice little presentation. I like how it looks. Today I'm just going to be basically unboxing them and showing you what they look like and everything, what all comes in the box. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox it. Take it out of the box, see what all you get. You get your instruction booklet, user guide. Put it to the side. You want to hold on to that. Also, you got some more like a thank you, pretty much a thank you card from Novostella, and some brief instructions on here. Alright, turn it around so you bring it closer where you can see them. So a brief instruction guide. Alright, letting you know how to cut it and all that if you need to cut it. Alright, so this is the 40. So this is what you get in the box. You get the power cord. This is the US power cord. I'm pretty sure whatever country you live in, they'll send you the power cord needed for that country. So this is the US version. Has like a little on and off switch right here. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And like this is the 40-foot. And here's the RF remote control. Take it out of the plastic. All right. Nice big remote control. I don't know how I said remote control, but remote comes with it. Has plenty of different color lights on here, light buttons on here. So this will be making it brighter and dimmer. And this would be a play button on here, power on and off. To say RGB on here, and then it has different modes on here. It says a quick, slow, auto, flash, fade, and then you have jump 3, jump 7. I don't know if you guys can see that. See if we can get it to focus. Come on, camera, focus. Yeah. So you have a jump 3, jump 7, fade, fade 7. All right, and then you got DIY buttons right here, so you can change the way you want to do it. All right. So it's a pretty big remote control. All right, and right there, this is the plastic piece where you would take out. That's just in there for shipping to protect the battery, so the battery won't die on you or whatever. All right, we're gonna put that to the side, and we got one of the Here's one reel. It comes with 2 reels of strip lights, so a total of 40 being a total of 40 foot. So I'm gonna put that to the side right there. Here's the second one. I'm gonna put that to the side right here. Let's see what else we got in the box. Then we have some screws and I guess even like mounting. I forget the name of it on top of my head. Like small mounting brackets. So if you want to mount them on the walls that way, you can do it that way. But it also already comes with some 3M sticky. It looks like on the back of it. So that's all that comes in the box. Get this box out of the way. All right, got that box out of the way. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and see what we're working with. Let me show you the strip itself. Here's the strip, little black front right here, and on the back of it this is where your sticky part would be. So you would basically, I'm not going to peel it all the way off. I'm going to try to peel off, see what I can peel off right here. Come on. All right, you peel this off, and it's sticky right there. So you gotta make sure before you install these, wherever you're going to install them, make sure you install them on a clean surface. Make sure you clean the surface. I usually take clean off real good and then use alcohol and a nice clean towel and wipe it off that way before the surface, wherever surface I mount them on. All right, so you come with 2 prongs on here. You can see it. I'm gonna bring it up as close as I can. See if you can see it. On here it's an arrow letting you know which way to insert it into the power cords right here. See, so on this one you see an arrow right here, so it wouldn't go in that one, see, because the arrow's on the opposite side. So let's see, here's the arrow right here, doesn't go on that one. So yeah, here it goes, it goes in this one. See, so you want to get this to focus. You really want to get the this out of the way so it can focus. You want to get the arrows right here lined up when you are plugging them up. So I'm going to go ahead and, this one is a little bent right here, straighten out a little bit. Make sure the arrows align. Oh, it's out of frame. You can see. Make sure the arrows are in line when you put it together. All right, go in together as such. And I'm gonna do the other one. Same thing. Make sure the arrows line up. Plug them up. Make sure these little arrows right here line up. I'm not sure if you guys can really see that. There's little arrows. You see the arrows right there? They line up. So to make sure that's letting you know you got them connected correctly. And I'm going to go ahead and untie this right here. Take the twist tie off. Alright, I got a little power source right here. I'm going to go ahead and plug them in. Bam. Move some of this stuff off to the side, out of the way. Alright, now I'm going to dim the lights a little in the studio so we can kind of see what we're working with. Alright, I'm going to use remote control to turn them on, see what we got here. Make sure I got my power cut on. Yep, my power is cut on. Let me double check the battery on here. Make sure I got it plugged in correctly. Oh, I didn't hit the switch. Bam! Got to hit the switch, the on and off switch on the power cable itself. All right. When you first plug them on, it's got to look like a powder blue look on it. So I'm gonna change it to dark blue. And let me turn down the lights a little bit in the studio. I'm gonna change it to dark blue. I'm gonna change it to red. Change it to green. And let's try some of the. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lights up just a little bit so we can see the so you can see the buttons that I'm clicking on here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and click the quick mode. I click the quick mode. Okay, this right here is quick to slow it and to speed up and slow. So I'm putting on auto. So on auto, you see this is going flashing the different colors on its own, and I'm gonna put it to flash. And if I put it in flash and I want to go ahead and speed it up, I'm gonna keep hitting that quick button. When I hit that quick button, let me turn it down for somebody have a seizure in here. So put it back to flash. Okay, I'm gonna put it into fade 7. This is fade 7. These are some pretty bright lights. Pretty bright lights. And I'm gonna put it to fade 3. That's pretty cool. Fade 3 fades in and out, changing in between different colors. That's pretty cool. Jump 7. Almost kind of like a sign you would see in a store window, or like a little convenience store window kind of vibe right there. And jump 3, kind of the same thing, something you see in the store window. That's pretty cool. All right, let's take it back to auto. I like auto. All right, get it back to auto. Let me slow it down. I'm gonna put it on fade. I like the fade. That's my favorite, is the fade. So you can put it in fade. You can. Now I'm thinking as far as when you want to brighten and dim, you want to have it on a single color. So right now I got it in red. Let me turn on the lights in the studio some. So when you have it on solid colors, that's when you could use the fade and brighten. I mean, not fade, but you can bring the brighten or darken button. So I'm gonna go ahead and darken down as low as possible. And I'm going to go ahead and brighten it up. You see, when I'm pushing the button, it's getting brighter and brighter and brighter. So that's the brightest setting. Put it to blue, green. This is green and red. No, that's blue. Blue. Say, Mark, do you know your colors? Yeah, I know my colors, man. Alright. And there's like a, I don't know what color. That's like a kind of a greenish color. So, yeah, so overall, these are some pretty decent lights. These are pretty decent lights. Like I said, I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to put them at yet. But what I'm going to do is probably do a follow-up video to let you guys know, to show you guys after I figure out where I want to put them. Because I think I got these, I got them in the mail about a little over a week ago. And I'm still trying to figure out where I'm gonna put them at yet, because I got these LED lights all over the house right now, and you know, especially with the shutdown going on, we had to do some maneuvering around. So I'm trying to reorganize the studio. So I had to go over, you know, get with the wife and try to figure out where would she like to have them put. And then after I finally figure out where I want to put them, then I'm gonna come back and do a update video and show you where I installed them and how they look. Alright, right now I just really wanted to hurry up and get this unboxing out to show you what they look like, but I also want to do an update video so you guys can see how they look like after they've been put up. Alright, so you know, once I get everything squared away and things kind of calm down with the shutdown, what have you, then I'll come back and do an updated video. But I just wanted to basically show you unboxing to show you what you get in the box. You get 2 reels with totals of 40-foot of string lights. Then you get the RF remote, and then you get the power cord with an on and off switch on here, so you can control it from there, or you can just cut it off from the remote. It's your choice. All right. And you can find, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you can find these at. You can find these on Amazon. I think they're for under 50 bucks. I think they might be like 45, something like that. But I believe link down in the description box below. And like I said, I'm not no expert in all this stuff. Just a guy who likes tech. And I got these strips and wanted to show them to you so you can check them out for yourself. All right. Like I said, all these comments are from my own opinion, what have you. So like I said, once I get them up, and I have another one of their products. Let me get it out for you. See, I have another one of their products. I have their like I said, Novostella is a good brand, and I have, you know, several of their products. I got the these are their RGB 20-watt floodlights. So like I said, they make good products. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't bring it to you if it wouldn't. You know, like I said, these are some of my favorites. You know, like I said, you see I got it mounted on a tripod. I use these in the studio, but you know, simple, easy. So if these are any boy, getting tongue tied. If these are if any as good as these, I'm pretty sure I'm be happy with them. But it's just a matter of finding a good place to put them. All right. So that's been my quick unboxing, now review, unboxing of the Novostella RGB string lights. Here's the box again, so you can kind of check them out. You want to find them, you know what they look like. Alright. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell so you notify new videos. Tell a friend. Once we get to 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to start doing some giveaways of some of the products that I review right here on the channel. Alright. Some of the products I unbox and review right here on the channel. Once we get to 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to pick some of the products that I'm going to do giveaways on once we get to 2,000 subscribers. Alright. So quick we get there, quick we get to those reviews. Alright. Appreciate you guys taking out time to check out the video. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. Alright? And the message for today is stay positive, stay safe. That's the message for today. This has been your boy Mark, Blue Screws and Views. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace.